boys and girls, I'm here today to make a really fun craft with you. Check this out. It's a Grinch bookmark. Doesn't he look mean as the Grinch can be? Well, he's a bookmark. Let me show you. You will have a book, and what you do is you place him on the side of your page, and he becomes a bookmark. And he can eat the side of your page. We're going to get ourselves ready to make one. In order for you to be able to make one of these, you need several things. You're going to need a pair of teeth. You need his hat, his eyes, and then of course you need his face. We're going to go ahead and start out with his face. I'm going to show you how to cut his face out. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut only on the outside lines. This is very important that you only do the outside, because if you cut off some of these inside lines, you're going to cut his face apart, and then he won't be able to eat the side of your page. Watch me right now. I'm going to do the cutting and I would like you to watch.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel.
Okay, now I'm going to put the scraps to the side, and I have just his face here. See how I didn't cut the two inside lines? At this point, you can stop the video so you can cut your face. Remember, do not cut the two inside lines. Now that you've cut that out, we're going to place that to the side. You are going to make a pile of all your pieces. And next, I have his two eyes. I'm going to cut out his two eyes.
You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile...
There's his two eyes. I'm going to put those two eyes in my pile. Now you can stop the video again so that you can cut out your eyes. Next, you are going to need your Santa hat, okay? Well, don't forget to put your scraps in a nice pile to put them in the trash when you're done. Here's your Santa hat. I'm going to cut out the Santa hat next.
Mr. Grinch.
For the pom-pom, just go around the pom-pom. You don't need to worry about getting in between all those little nooks and crannies. Same thing with this fluff, just go around it. You don't need to worry about getting in those little nooks and crannies there either.
You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch.
Okay, there's his hat. The scraps go in my pile, and I put his hat on my pile of cutouts. My last thing I need to cut out is his teeth. Okay? But I'm going to wait for you to go ahead and cut out your hat first. Now it's time for his teeth. I'm going to make sure I cut up and down throughout each one of his teeth. Watch me do mine.
The three words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote, stink, stank, stunk. You're a rotter,
Up and down.
Mr. Grinch. You're the king of the sinful socks. Your heart's a dead tomato splotched with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch.
There's my teeth. My teeth are all done. I'm going to give you a moment to go ahead and cut out your teeth now. Stop the video again. Now that I have all my pieces cut out, I'm going to need my glue. You're going to need a glue stick for the next step. Make sure your glue only peeks out just a little bit from the top. If you peek it out way too much, it comes off in big globs. So just peek it out of the top. So the first thing I need to do is to get my green face. Here's my green face. Now I need to, this is why it was important that we didn't cut these inside lines. I need to go ahead and I need to fold this on this line. So therefore, the point of my Grinch face is going to lie on this line and the point's gonna touch the other side. Do you see that? This whole side touches the line and the point touches the other side. You can go ahead and stop the video so you can do that. Now that I've folded that one, I'm going to fold this one now. I need to fold it on that line again. So fold it and it's going to lie right on top of the other one. See the point? The point sits right on the other point. So I have my first one down and then I'm gonna fold this one to lie on top. Go ahead and stop the video so you can lie yours on top now. It ends up by looking like a square or a diamond. All right, now that you have folded both of them, unfold just the top one. Only the top one. Don't unfold the second one, the first one that you did. Sorry. Don't unfold the first one you did. Unfold that top one, which was the second one. Because this time I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to put glue just on the part that I folded down. That's it. It's only on that part I folded down. So I can lie that top one on top of it. See? Now it's shut. However, because I didn't do my bottom one, I have it looks like the mouth. See it open? There it is. Now I want to do my teeth. Get your teeth. I'm going to hold my teeth like this because here's my Grinch face right here. And I'm going to put glue only on the top of his teeth. Do you know where the top of your teeth stick into your gums, the pink part of your mouth? Your teeth stick up in there and they stay up in your gums? That's where we're going to put the glue, just on the top where your teeth stick into your gums. So I'm going to put the glue just where the gums belong. That's the part that sticks into the gums. Now that I have my glue there, I'm gonna go and stick them underneath from the inside. Look. See, it's underneath. It's underneath the two pieces I folded over. There's his teeth. You can stop the video and go ahead and do yours now. All right, next I want to go ahead and put on my eyeballs. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyes on. I can put them on any way I want. I think the Grinch is kind of mean, so I'm gonna make his eyes look a little bit mean. However, you can put yours on any way you want. Not everybody's has to look the same. I'm gonna put glue on his second eye, and I'm gonna put his second eye on. There it is. Is he starting to look like the Grinch now? Look at him. Now he's missing one thing, and that's his hat. Here's his Santa hat right here. I'm going to put his Santa hat on. I can put it on crooked if I want. I can put it on straight and kind of have his eyes covered a little bit. You can put it on however you want. On this one, I put it on a little crooked, see? But this time, I think I'm gonna go ahead and maybe put his hat on straight. So because I'm gonna put it on straight, I'm putting glue on only on the top. You can see the purple, only on the top of his head. Putting the glue on the top of his head so I can now take my hat and stick it on. There it is. Look at that. See? Now I'm all done with my Grinch bookmark. Watch. There he is. What do you think? Looks like he's eating it, doesn't it? Well, you can put this on your pages in your book to hold your spot. Well, I hope you enjoyed making your own Grinch bookmark. And don't forget, boys and girls, don't be Grinchy.